In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs tool, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Many people struggle with accessing split screen view on HUAWEI devices because it's not that obvious like on the other ones. That's because to use split screen view on HUAWEI, you need to access one of your apps in the background and open it in pop-up view first by clicking on this icon at the top right corner. Now click on Home button to minimize first app, open as floating window, and open as second one. Then click on the tiny window. And now it's time to switch those two apps into split screen view. To do that, hold blue line located at the top of floating window and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe both, or hold those three dots in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!